12 minus 6 divided by 2 plus 2. Now, a lot of people solve this wrongly. Let me show you how. They first of all do this. 12 minus 6 will give us what? Which is 6. Divide by 2 plus 2. 6 divided by 2 will give us 3 plus this 2, which is equals to 5. But this answer is not correct. Why? Because we have a rule with which you can solve this question, and it's called order of operation, which is BODMAS. So if you do BODMAS, this is bracket, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction, right? So we follow this rule. This is how our answer is going to look like. So our correct answer will be, first of all, we have to do this division. So if we do this division first, it will be like 12 minus 6 divided by 2 will give us 3, right? Plus this 2. Now, we have to do this addition first. So minus 3 plus 2 will give us plus 1, right? Then we'll bring down our 12. 12 plus 1 will give us what? 13. And this is, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, not plus. So 12 minus 1 will give us 11. So our final answer is 11. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to follow for more.